Good morning everybody, it's Mark Sapsford here. Today's video is recorded on the 1st of December 2019. It's Sunday, so it's the month of Christmas. So things usually slow down in December after the sort of second week. So what we've done this last week or two has been really working hard behind the scenes, trying to get stuff ready for the new year. And we're delighted to send this video out because it shows you 3 new features within Tekton, our algorithmic trading software, that are going to really give you an edge. Now, I've looked at some trading strategy, auto trading strategy systems this last couple of weeks that are out there in the marketplace, and been in touch with a lot of them to find out what they're all about, how they work, etc. And I found that the general consensus is that they do not offer you flexibility. Yes, an algo trading system out there that has a fixed strategy or is supplying you with signals or indicators, is supplying you with a strategy or indicators that someone else wants you to trade. Now, as you can see with Tekton, that is completely the opposite. Tekton gives you the ability to create your own strategy, okay, your own strategy. So for example, you can create your own new strategy by clicking this button, as you've seen on the videos that I've created, and you can then have total flexibility as to what you are going to be trading. So for example, 3 of the new features we've added, we've listened to clients, we've listened to what people have asked us, and the first news is that we have now added cryptocurrencies to the potential list of instruments you are able to trade. So for example, when you change your strategy indicator, you can now choose all of the Bitcoin, cryptos, Ripple, Stellar, Litecoin, Neo. You've got all of those all built into the user indicator list, which is fantastic news. And you can then backtest those as normal. Another feature we've added, which we've actually listened to clients, is, and we knew this was going to come, it took a while to create, but it's now there, is the edit function. So once you have a strategy in place, the open buy, open sell, which, as you know, if you've watched the videos or you've done this yourself, it takes about a minute or 2 maximum to create a single algorithm. And you own that algorithm, you control that algorithm, you control that strategy. It's not what anybody else wants you to trade, it's what you want to trade. And it's free, remember. One particular one I looked at this week was $49 a month for me to pay to use their strategy, which I had no control over. It didn't make sense to me. It really doesn't make sense to me. This is free to use and you have total control. So if you want to edit the strategy, you can. You click the edit button and you can simply move backwards and forwards through your string and change whatever it is it's highlighted to something else, which I think is fantastic. Okay, if you don't want to change it, you just simply click back and then go back into the strategy itself. So that's available as an immediate upgrade, immediate use for you to edit your strategies as you move. If you want to change a moving average or change the cross or whatever it is you want to do, you can actually do that immediately using the edit function. So that's cryptocurrency has been added and the edit function been added. What I think is a super cool feature, which I'm going to demonstrate to you now, is the back testing engine is slightly different now. It shows you a rolling position with regards to your strategy. So I've got a simple strategy I've created. It's got a 31 pip stop, 85 pip target. I put 1,000 pips as the take profit and draw down on the whole thing. It's on euro dollar on a 30-minute chart. I'm going to run the test. I'm going to test over all data. So I'm going to scroll down here, click run test, and then what you can see is as the test is taking place, you are able to see the trading results as they come in on your profit and loss chart. So what this is doing is it's giving you a running total of where your system would be at any point in the time frame it's testing. So as you can see at the moment, this is testing the first 3 or 4 months of 2017. It's given us a negative, but it's now into the second part of 2017 and it's now starting to take control and take ownership of profit and loss. So This is going to give you a complete result up until 2019. We're now strongly and solidly up above the break-even line, which is here. And again, the beautiful thing is if you're not happy with the result at the end of this, you can change the time frame, you could change the moving averages, you could change the instrument, you can change anything you want now at the click of a button. So it's really, really user friendly. So as you can see, we're into 2017 end of now. So the end of the first year it was 500 pips up, which is really fantastic. We're now into 2018, and 2018 is pushing up even higher. So this is great news. It's getting higher highs, consistent higher highs on the equity chart. So this is showing that it's a good, profitable system. There are pullbacks, as you can see, but we're still in profit, and it's still pushing ahead. And exactly like what forex charts do, they pull back and then move off again, pull back, move off again, pull back, move off again. So we're now up to the sort of last quarter of 2018 now, still in good profit. And then what we will do is once this goes into 2019, we shall see a full year of trading activity for the year we are in, or almost a full year, because we're actually only on 1st of December today. So this is October 2018. And this is pushing in nicely now, pushing up nicely. And we're almost into 2019, which I believe is any time now. This is 2019 coming up. I think the next one. There we go. So we're in 2019 now. We're now sitting up. We've broken that high again. So this is the current profit and loss for this year, 690 pips. Really, really good return. Really good, strong return. So it's now, the high it's been is around 700. Now it's pushing up again, and it's broken that high again. As you can see, the scale has just moved as well. So this is a really useful way of watching your back test. You can see also how long the back test is taking, because you know that we've only got 3 or 4 months left of results, because we're almost coming up to the October 2019, November 2019 now. So we're just waiting for the result to come through. It's got a high of over 1,000 there, which is great. And there we go. That's the complete back test done. Now that's the complete back test. Now all the trades are still there. So you get all the trades here: a loser, winner, loser, 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 winner, winner. Okay, so out of 10 trades there, remember this is over 2.5 to 1 reward to risk. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 losers, 3 winners, but over 2.5 to 1 reward to risk. Here we have another 10 trades: a loser, winner, 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 loser, winner. So you actually had 1, 2, 3, 4 winners there. Again, 2.5 to 1 reward to risk, which is why we're getting a good, strong result on the overall growth. So guys, look, that's really the 3 updates I wanted to send you. We've got crypto, we've got the edit function, and we've got this fantastic now new scrolling profit and loss on the back test, which gives you the ability to see how much more time the back test is going to take. And as I say, compared to other stuff out there, this is leagues ahead of anything I've seen. I've not seen any back testing as quick. I've not seen any strategy creation as quick, and I've not seen anyone that offers a system where you have total control over what you trade. In fact, one of the emails I received from another company who are charging $49 a month or £49 a month, the email said, this is not a system where you have control on. You don't have the ability to edit or back test. You just have to trust us that it works. Big gamble when you're paying $49 a month or £49 a month, that what you're going to actually get involved with is something that actually works. I set it up on a demo, and by the time I checked, I think on Friday night, after 3 days, nothing had been traded. So a little bit dubious about that one. So this is really the way forward. Tekton is a great piece of kit. As you can see, we're always adding things to it constantly, consistently. And you know, we're going from strength to strength. We've got some major news coming out soon with regards to how we're pushing forward as a business. And you know, right now the best advice I can give you is use December to get yourself really prepared for the new year. We've got some great strategies out there. We've got some great traders out there using our system. And you know, at the end of the day, you know, if you create a strategy that works, share it with us. We'll more than happily get people using it, and hopefully in the future we can actually reward people for doing that and sharing positive strategies. We're going to run something very new in the new year with regards to recognising people that actually do really well with Tekton and the most successful returns, and we're going to do something very, very useful in the new year, very, very you know, lucrative in the new year for everybody. So get yourself, you know, knuckle down, get yourself on board with this. It doesn't take long to backtest, it doesn't take long to create, and you know, just a couple of hours and you can have yourself some really good strategies that are running live, and then you can set them and forget them. So have a great December, one and all. I will send something else out at some point shortly, but have a great December, one and all, and I look forward to speaking to you all very soon. Bye for now.